This presentation speaks to the maintenance of building air systems. For the most part, a lot of this maintenance can be done by a building technician, but on occasion it takes a skilled tradesman. The building superintendent will ascertain as to who should be called in. Air frequency tasks as noted. Air systems. Monthly. Check for particulate accumulation on filters. Clean or replace if accumulation results in pressure drop or airflow outside of established operating limits. Check air filter housing integrity. Correct as needed. Quarterly maintenance. Check UV lamp. Clean or replace it as needed to assure proper operation. Semi-annual. Check P-trap. Prime as needed to ensure proper operation. Check fan belt tension. Check for belt wear and proper alignment. Replace if necessary to ensure proper operation. Check variable frequency drive for proper operation. Correct as needed. Check for proper operation of cooling or heating coil. Clean or replace as required. Annual maintenance. Check control box for dirt, debris and loose terminations. Tighten as needed. Check motor contactor for pitting or other signs of damage. Repair or replace as needed. Check fan blades. Clean, repair, or replace as needed to ensure proper operation. Check refrigerant system pressure and temperatures. If outside of recommended levels, find cause, repair and adjust refrigerant to achieve normal operating levels. Check for fouling, corrosion, or degradation. Clean or repair as needed. Check drive alignment, wearing seat in operation. Repair or replace as needed. Check integrity of all panels on equipment. Replace fasteners as needed to ensure proper integrity and fit and finish of equipment. Lubricate field service bearings. Check drain pan, drain line, and coil for biological growth, clean as needed. Check coil fans for evidence of buildup or fouling. Restore if possible. Replace coil if necessary to return to proper functioning. Inspect for evidence of moisture carryover beyond the drain pan from the cooling coils. Make corrections or repairs as necessary. Check for proper damper operation. Repair, replace, or adjust as necessary. Visually inspect areas of moisture accumulation for biological growth. If present, clean or disinfect as necessary. Check condensate pump. Clean or replace as needed. Visually inspect exposed ductwork and external piping for insulation and vapor barrier for integrity. Correct as needed. Visually inspect internally lined ductwork until the first turn or up to 20 feet into the supply plenum from air system for integrity and if soiled, degraded, or corrected. Thank you for listening.